Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to see how you can delete your Docker account. Well, it is a quite simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you have to do is open your Docker desktop app on your PC. So after opening the app, make sure that you are logged into your account. And after making sure that you are logged into your account, click on the profile icon that you can see in the top right here. After clicking on it, there you will be able to see the option of account settings right here. Click on it. And this is going to take you to the particular link right here where you can see this is your account information, and all you have to do is click on the deactivate option right here. So after clicking on the option here, you can see the option of user account. All you have to do is add in your username in here. After typing down your username, all you have to do is click on deactivate account right here. And now in here, you can see we're on the sign in page of Docker. And now in here, you have successfully deleted your Docker account. You can see we're on the sign in page. You can try adding your username and your password in here, and you won't be able to log in because you have successfully deleted your account. We're going to try it out. Here you can see we have added correct email address and password. And when you try to click on continue and log in, here you can see it says wrong username or password because your account has already been deleted. And that is it. That is how you can delete your Docker account. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.